now I will demonstrate how to use the beading tool. If you saw my other video about the keychains, okay, that's what this is. So I'm going to make this little mermaid, and charms work really good on these keychains too. So, all right, so I'm going to get some beads. I want some white beads, and I want some kind of coral or peach, and then I want some little tiny gold ones in between. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my beading tool, and you can see these have really tiny holes, and they go onto that beading tool just fine. So I'm going to pick up a gold one and a white one and a gold one and a peach one and a gold one and a white one and a gold one. Okay, so we're just going to put those beads on here, and we're just going to keep on adding until we have whatever pattern we want. This works for a lot of different kinds of projects, not just keychains. Anything that you bead, a bracelet, earrings, anything. Okay, so there's another one, and I'm just repeating my pattern over and over. I'm putting a gold bead in between each of my colored beads, and that white bead has just a funny little thing sticking out on it, just the wood. So I just take my pliers and cut that off. All right. So put that on, and you'll notice I'm holding my beader quite far down here, and then just letting these just hang out the other side. And that works better for me. That way I'm not trying to do something way out here. It still works, but I find it awkward. So I kind of choke up on the beader. Okay, so now we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Should I stop there, or should I go one more? I think I'm going to go one more. It's kind of a funny, it's a little funny bead. Let's get a different one. Okay, one last gold one. Okay, now I've got my jump ring and my thread on there, or string, whatever. It goes, put your string through, pull it down to the end and tighten it. It should kind of just hang there a little bit. And you're going to slide your beads forward. And here you might have to work it to get it on. It's going to be a tight fit, especially with those small gold beads. But then you just pull them on. Years and years ago, I had a little tool, and they were super cheap. They were like 69 cents. And then I went to college, and I don't know what happened to my to that company. They didn't, when I came back to trying to do things with beads, they were closed or out of business or something. I don't know. I can't find it anymore. It's called an easy beader. Okay, so there's